and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today I'm doing a diorama video. So this is a 3D printed diorama garage that you can get on Maker World, I think it was. And I have printed, it's actually in two pieces, cross member and this base here, and I printed these in white and silver. It also has a stick-on back area. I have shown off the BMW set, the M Motorsport BMW team previously. So this is the truck that opens. Great set. Comes with 3 cars and now have a garage to put them in. So I'll take these out and put them aside. Now I'm going to be showing this in a few other videos as well. There are multiple ones of these. I've got a Fast and Furious and a Golf and other things that the actual creator has created backgrounds. I may look at doing some myself. Simple little file. I'm just going to make this a short video. If you have a 3D printer or access to one, got these extra pieces here. I have no idea what they're meant for, but there is this extra hole here. Not sure if they're meant to stick together or what the deal is. But yeah, so pretty solid. Little mounting pieces on the side here with grooves underneath to slot them in, so you can build them up one on top of the other. There is also another set that has only I think 2/3 deep of the same thing. But if you have got some sets that you want to put on display in a garage or something, and access to a 3D printer, or someone who does have one, they might be able to print something for you. I haven't got the right to sell this or anything. I haven't even asked. I'd say the developer might be already doing that. But yeah, it's a good little garage and perfect for storing your M Motorsport cars, especially the 4-pack set that you actually get in Hot Wheels. Thanks for watching. Short video. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.